Stand by. Sounds good. A lot of oil in there.
So that's John Payne, J-O-H-N, okay, J-O-N.
A-T-H-A-N.
And operations maintenance, you said, or?
Aircraft.
Okay, very well, sounds good.
Shortly after that, did the pre-flight, launched the aircraft. They're flying a training mission right now. Craft while waiting for this flight to come down, and then once we get it ready to fly tomorrow. Real-time surveillance. We can aid troops in contact. Back to the command center, they can make their decisions from there. Make sure nothing gets attacked, or if it does, on other missions, we can look for people in place and do surveillance for high-value targets they're up to, see if they're going to make movement. Battlefield, so if we need to redirect troops, we have a laser pointer, laser designator, paint targets with infrared signatures for missiles to come. It all starts with time in the hangar, with reoccurring inspections on the aircraft, automobile, air filters, oil filters, that sort of thing. Right, load fuel into it. It's not a CIMIT, but we have to make sure everything's done properly. Sign off the logbooks. You get a second half just to make sure all the work was done correctly. The launcher, do pre-flight checks with the operators. Everything you encounter in flight on the ground, just to make. From there, we mount it on the launcher, clearance through tower. We can launch the aircraft.
All right, Sergeant Fenning, PFE, first name and spell, please.
It's Ian, I-A-N.
Title here, not your MOS, but what is your, title?
So today, our training plan, we have new operators here that are learning, navigating the airspace and the rules. And so the UAS in today's fight is observer. We take the forward observer out of the battlefield. So I think in a lot of, we're able to do BDA, we're able to balance. It's a very powerful. The UAS disaster response efforts and the fact that we can monitor issues on the ground, we're able to police emergency vehicles and pinpoint accuracy. The job is extremely rewarding, knowing that simple as it seems sitting in a box and watching the ground, especially overseas. I've been overseas, and at the end of the day that I've saved lives doing so.